Hello, Tony Fennell call. Yuck.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, Tony Fennell, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I want to show you guys this stock unit NT092357. It's a Mercedes-Benz M2CA7X. So it's a 2500 cargo, 170 high roof 4x4, 6-cylinder diesel engine, Arctic white, the 3-pointed star in chrome. Nice front camera right here. It has 360 camera. Nice step to climb up and work under the hood. Parktronic sensors. Fog lights act as corner lights. So this sweet 170 high roof has the aluminum wheels with the contact winter tires on it. You can run those 24/7. Up above it has a roof mounted AC from Mercedes-Benz. It's belt driven off the engine. You can see the rear wiper blades. The camera up above, more Parktronic sensors, a hitch, a step, the 7-prong round socket for your toe. These doors open up 270 degrees. They hinge straight off, just like that, and then they hinge all the way around. Rear heated glass, there's nets in the back doors. Now, it has this nice composite anti-slip floor in this beautiful Mercedes-Benz headliner. Of course, it's insulated in this AC unit to keep it all cool. Now down here, down low, is the warm air cool duct from the front dash to bring some cool air back here or some heat back here. Let's get a view of the side over here. So it has a power door and a step. Black leatherette interior. She's nicely decked out. Power seats, memory, heated seats. A nice touch here for your armrest. Grab handles to jump in. Lumbar support. Let's get the camera in. It has a nice 7-inch multimedia MBUX touchscreen. There's a mouse right here. You can talk to it. You can use your finger on it. You can use a mouse right here for this. Another mouse right here for that display. A button right here for that slider door. It has a button here for the front heated glass. A button here for the rear heated glass. Your 4x4 switches are right here. All these VNs have the tilt telescopic right here. And you have the overhead control panel, your SOS button for emergency services, your roadside button, and then your package trays up above with handles. Package trays right here. Let's get a look under the hood, but before we go there, I see a nice pad to drop your phone down for wireless charging, some power right here to plug in. You can pair the face of your phone to the display. There's a couple of C drives, fresh air vents to pull in outside fresh air. There's more storage compartments on both sides. And then what do we have down below? We have some more power right here, some more power right here, another C drive right here, and a 115 volt connection right there. Let's take a look under the hood. All right, so the hood release is over at the driver's kick panel. Prop rod right here. Fresh air comes through the hood, filtered for you. Engine gets its air from right about here. Keep below rivers and streams. Washer fluid. Your battery, positive jump, negative. The battery is underneath your feet. It's maintenance free. It's a glass mat battery. You'll never go near it. Brake fluid here. Power steering, oil filter cover, oil fill, antifreeze fill, DEF fill, holds 6 gallons. Give me a call, Tony Fennell, 978-764-1232.